Hello everyone, it's Patty and happy Friday. And today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you a setup that I have done using the Plannersociety Halloween kit. Now the one I used is the physical kit that you can still purchase on Christy's website. I will link it below. It comes with papers, 3D stickers, die cuts, pockets, all sorts of other goodies. But if you do not want to purchase this particular print, already physical kit, you can also just purchase the printables that are available on Christy's Etsy account, and you can print your own papers and die cuts, and so you can kind of replicate the look, if you don't want to purchase the whole kit. But I am absolutely in love with the kit. I think it's gorgeous, and the moment I received it, I really knew that I wanted to set something up. Now, because I have already set up a planner for this month, I thought that actually would be a great idea to use the kit, not necessarily for a monthly planner, but more for memory keeping. I already have one memory keeping planner for my Christmas holiday decorations. And since, I love to decorate for the holidays, and also I love to keep pictures of my kids in their best costumes, I thought this would be a great, option. So you will see there's 3 sections in the planner, 3 inserts. So the first insert will be for my home decoration. The second and third will be for my, one each for my children's past, Halloween costumes. You can write little notes, or if you want to use it for your friends, your family, or for your pets, there's the options are endless. But the planner that I use specifically to set up is this older traveler notebook. It's a standard size, and it's from my Prima planner. I love the way that it has this glitter finish on top. It's smooth, but it has very shiny, and I love that it's spooky, but not too spooky. And it also gives you a lot of real estate, being a standard size. I don't usually use a standard size planner. I usually use a Hobonichi Weeks and a B6, but standard size is awesome, especially if you have pictures, because it's larger. So you'll really, it's a great format, I think, if you want to use it for memory keeping. Now over here, there's all the slots, but I really didn't want to add too much, decoration. So I just added the pad. This is a sticky note pad that comes in the kit. It comes in 2 sizes actually. And then I put a little bow here, a little felt heart, and an older Starbucks card, and with the Halloween theme. And then here comes my first insert. I didn't actually want to I tried first actually to use a vellum in front of it, but I didn't want to cover this up because I am so in love with it. And this is the paper that came in the kit. I love that it's white and it's got the orange and the black, the background. And then I have added on the side here they're called glitter edgers, the glitter edgers from Christy, and they also come in the kit. Now the glitter edges are a little short, so as you can see here, they don't fit perfectly. They're not short, but they're shorter for for a standard size traveler notebook. So what I did is I actually added a little bit, but I wanted to show you the normal they will be a little shorter, but you can kind of like cut a little piece and then cover the rest if you wish. So for my die cut here, I chose this one because I think it's perfect to store home decorations for Halloween. It shows this beautiful entrance of a home. I popped a couple of eyelets, and then I have layered it on this fabric kind of mesh. I got it a long time ago I was trying to figure out where I got it, but I think it may have been from this thing. It's either Joann or Joan or Hobby Lobby, because I don't think that Michael's would have those kind of like prices, but price tags. I cannot really remember, but if you have it or if you have something similar, you can use it. And then I backed it on this burlap. Now this is burlap I got from Amazon, so you can get a ton of it. It's super wide, so you can use it for backing up your pictures. I had also found this a Tuesday morning before. You can also use that. I like this a little less because it's very thick, and also it's got a matte background. So I love this burlap from Amazon better because you see through it. So I like that effect. And then here I used the little bow that actually came came wrapped around the 2 little sticky notes. And then here is a 3D sticker that says boo, and it comes in the kit. So I love this. I don't know, I just can't, you know. And you can see this is just blank. You'll add your own pictures. And in the back, I did basically the same thing, the same burlap. I just added this little black and white little string that I got from, I think it was from Target. And then it's the same thing. It's just like a different, you know, view of the house. I actually have a chair, exactly a seat, you know, a love seat like this one, and it just looks too cute. This is a bow from Hobby Lobby, and then the words Hocus Pocus. I need to find a better way though, because I just put it together real quick, and the stickers do not love the burlap, so I need to get a little stronger adhesive. And then here I made, you know, the washi dashboard that I love to make, and I mixed in some older washi that I had, some with, this is from Michaels, the rest are from, you know, Simply Gilded. This is a newer edition from Simply Gilded, and then I put a little Simply Gilded bow there, and I didn't actually laminate this yet. As I said before in another video, my laminating machine has gotten into the habit of eating my dashboard, so it takes, you know, I don't trust it, so I need to buy a new one. And then this is the second insert, so I wanted to kind of separate, you know, the beautiful dashboard from directly going into the insert. So I have found this older vellum from Christy, and I love the color. It is floral, it is orange and black, and I think it looks adorable. So I put the word Spooktacular that was also in the comes with the kit, and these beautiful flowers. And then you transition. Oops, this is coming off. Okay, need to reattach that. Sorry about that, guys. But this is the second insert, and I love the mishmash, you know, all the different patterns together. I think they are, you know, there's a lot of patterns, but I love the way they are together. So this is the floral paper that comes in the kit, and it has those little spiders on it. And then I use the same you know, burlap, and then another journaling card with the eyelets. Same concept, right? Just a different ribbon. This is from Hobby Lobby, this one too, then the word Halloween. And what I did different here is that instead of using just one set of edge glitters, I put 2. So the thin one on top of the orange, because when I put the orange only, it was just a little too much, and I just wanted to bring in some of the black to kind of offset the orange, and I just love it. And then in the back, similar concept, you know, same thing. The only thing is that I put the word spooky up here, kind of poking at the you know, coming off on the top a little bit, and I just think it's so cute. And then back here, it's the remainder of the vellum with 3 stars there. And as you can tell, I totally busted the vellum by removing it while I had it in the planner, but it's okay. And then here's some flowers that are always on the kit. This is the back of the dashboard, and I used one of Simply Gilded white bow seals. And then this is section number 3. So this is an older vellum. I think it's Maggie Holmes that I had. I like that these bows, I've never used actually. I've had it for a long time. The bows are a little bit spooky to me. So, and they're actually velvety, but it's really pretty. And I thought, makes a lot of noise when you bend it, by the way, but I thought that it was perfect for this late, you know, last insert. And what I love, and I don't know if you can tell, but there are a lot of patterns, but I don't know, this setups, it's Halloween, but at the same time, it's kind of stylish, you know, at least it looks to me. So this is the paper with the cats in the background. So I just put this really large ribbon that I think I got, yes, I definitely actually got it from Target in the Christmas section. This is that brand that makes all their fancy decorations. I can't remember the name right now, but it's from Target. And then same thing, you know, this journaling card, backed on burlap with the word spooky, and then a different color of the same ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I doubled again the glitter edges for different reasons, because I wanted to bring in the orange, because there was just this orange here. So I kind of the orange matches the little scarf that the cat is wearing, and the cat is there, by the way. But it's so cute. So here it is how I attach them. So basically for the, if you want to see how I did attach them, the you know, but it's self-explanatory, but just in case, for the ribbon I decided to attach it back here because the ribbon may have the tendency of kind of ripping, and so I wanted to kind of hide it. And this is the back. And this is the same concept, so just have the journaling card, the word magic, the same ribbon from Target, and then the 2 bows, and I just love it. And back here, oops, this baby has come off, but back here I have the other adorable little notepad that you get in the kit. And then here, this is an older, actually, kind of washi card that I have made from my previous. I had made another Halloween setup a few years back, and I found it and I thought it was cute, so I stole it from that setup and I just put it there. So you know, I just thought it would look cute together. So there it is, guys. So this is the whole setup, and again, it was super quick. I did it in probably one afternoon, so it's something you can do right now. And of course, you don't have to do it if you're going to use it for memory keeping. You can do it later, so just you can buy the goodies and then do it at your own time during the holidays, etc. And if you have any question, please feel free to send me a DM at PLANNINGFANCY on Instagram. That is the best way to reach me. I always reply all DMs. I most of the time don't see comments, but otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and happy Halloween to everyone. Bye-bye.